Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add elements to your document such as tables on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home button down below, which is the first option. Click on the doc button at the top to select either a template or a simple document. Once it is loaded in, then you should click on the plus icon down below. In the left side corner of the screen, click on Elements, which is the second option. Then tap on Tables, that's the first section, and click on the button See All in the right side. Here you can find all of the available tables, so if you want to insert any of these, tap on the relevant one, and then it will be inserted automatically. If you would like to, you can change its color by clicking on the color button down below. Here you can find the colors, but you can also add your own color. So if you tap on it, it will be changed automatically, as you can see. You can change the border too. Here you can find these options. You can set the table spacing in this slide and the cell spacing too. Then feel free to change the font as well. Here are the available options. As you scroll down, you can check them out, but you can also type it in if you have a particular one in mind. So type into the search bar, click on the relevant one, and then it will be changed. Then you can also set the text style, such as heading, subheading, or body text. Then the font size can be selected too on this slide, as well as the color. The format, you can make it bold, italicize it, strike through it, or underline. You can also do the spacing, the letter spacing and line spacing on these slides, and then you can align it vertically. If you click on the More button, you can copy, paste it, merge the cells, and delete it. So that's how you insert a table. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.